Here I have VIVO V21e, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tap on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add interruptions for this mode. It's basically like some exceptions. It could be apps, it could be people, it could be alarms and other interruptions. You can also set up a schedule for this mode. You can set up default duration of it. And you can also hide notifications, like you can only disable sound from notifications, or you can disable visuals and sound, or you can customize it here for yourself, like which kind of notifications you want to disable and which not. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.